Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off dialing keypad sounds on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core and settings. Go to sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, okay, below, you can see this system sound section. Here, you can see the dialing keypad. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the dialing keypad sounds on my Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the dialing keypad sounds. And okay guys, to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on or off dialing keypad sounds on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.